Welcome to Dynamo. If you're serious about making money and growing your wealth, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because every video here is a goldmine for your financial future. Hey, I received some TRC20 USDT and I have my recovery phrases. Pride poll obtained together second when future mask review nature potato bulb. How can I monetize them? Stop! First, a major warning. Never share your recovery phrases with anyone. That's like handing over the keys to your bank account. If someone gets access, your USDT is gone forever. Now, let's talk business. Step 1. Access your wallet. If you already have a crypto wallet like TronLink, Trust Wallet, or Exodus, simply enter your recovery phrases to regain access. If you don't have a wallet yet, download TronLink, which is best for TRC20, and restore your wallet using the recovery phrases. Step 2. Check your USDT balance. Open your wallet and confirm the available USDT, specifically TRC20. Step 3. Convert and cash out. First, sell on a crypto exchange. This method is fast and secure. Send your USDT to trusted exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Coinbase. Then, trade USDT for USD and withdraw directly to your bank or PayPal. Second, consider P2P trading. This can offer higher profits, but be careful. Use platforms like Binance P2P to sell USDT directly to buyers at the best rates. Choose a verified buyer, receive USD, and transfer your USDT. Third, use a crypto debit card. Platforms like Crypto.com or Binance Card let you load USDT onto a debit card and use it for shopping or ATM withdrawals. Finally, for big transactions, you might want to look into OTC and local cash deals. If you prefer in-person transactions, find a trusted OTC trader or crypto buyer. Always meet in a safe place and confirm payment before transferring crypto. Final pro tips. Always double-check wallet addresses before sending funds. Use exchanges with low fees to maximize your returns. And keep your recovery phrases private and safe. Losing them means losing your money. Want more money-making secrets? Hit that like, smash that subscribe, and stay tuned for more powerful crypto and financial hacks. Let's build that wealth together.